I just 3D printed this boat with a hole in it. It floats perfectly fine. And want to guess what the hole's for? Boom, avocado seed. Clop. Look at that. There you go. Now it'll grow. Good thing about this is that, one, it looks like a boat. That's pretty cool. And two, the water level will always stay the same. The avocado will get a ton of nutrition from the plant and fish waste below. I think it's kind of neat. You can kind of see the pit from underneath. And round it goes. It's actually kind of funny. It just spins round and round in this tank.